Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the split view feature in Google Chrome, so you can view two websites side by side in one window on your Mac. First, open Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome://flags, then hit enter. In the search box at the top, type the keyword split. You'll see the option related to split view. Here, change the setting from default to enable. After that, Chrome will ask you to restart the browser. Click Relaunch so Chrome can restart automatically. Once it's enabled, I'll open any two websites. Next, I'm going to right-click on a tab and choose Add Tab to New Split View. Select the second tab, and instantly both websites will be displayed side by side in the same window. At this point, you can drag to adjust the width of each side however you want, which is super useful when you need to view a document and work at the same time. When you don't want to use it anymore, just right-click, choose Arrange Split View, then select Separate Views, and you're done. And that's how to use Split View in Chrome on Mac. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow easy tech steps for more useful tech tips.